The LOBO system is built on 3 different sized trestle legs or adjustable base plates. Trestle legs incorporating side clamps and top clamps together with round steel tube and low band couplers form the basic elements of the system. The low band coupler and all other LOBO clamps feature an L bolt which must always be tight. The 3 sizes of trestle legs and the adjustable base plate connect together to form a modular and scalable access platform system. Remove the height adjustment pin and raise the insert of the LOBO trestle legs. Always remember to reinsert the pin and tighten the thumb screw. The welded side clamps are set at predefined positions and all line up to allow total integration of all LOBO systems trestle legs, base plates and round tube. To build any structure by using a trestle leg or base plate, take a length of LOBO round tube and insert it into the lower side clamp and tighten. Always start at the lower side clamp. Take the second leg and repeat the procedure, ensuring you use the lower side clamp first to allow the round tube to square up to the leg. Wherever there are adjacent side clamps, add more round tube to form the next load-bearing level. These 3 tubes form the load-bearing levels on the system as they are all supported by a welded side or top clamp. The round tube can be raised to provide handrails as required by removing the height adjustment pin. Always fully reinsert the pin and tighten the thumb screw. Here we can see how the round tube is inserted into the side clamp and tightened. It is possible to build a level platform on uneven surfaces, plinths, steps or slopes by using the low band coupler. There are a number of ways the LOBO system can be configured over a step or on a slope. For example, using the low band coupler, which is not load bearing, set the round tube height to provide a level round tube as shown. Fully tighten the low band coupler and ensure the trestle legs are vertical. Never use the low band for load-bearing purposes. For example, in this case, only the tube at the top is load-bearing as it sits inside top clamp.